Hello viewer, this is the completely new plugin we have made. So this is the plugin name is section builder for the Elementor, the AI section builder for Elementor. So this plugin is required, the Elementor must. So in this space, in this section, so plugin setting, click the plugin setting, then we will add the API key, OpenAI or Grok or Gemini. You can handle any of stuff. So just put here, also it will handle. Then go the page builder. So I'm going page builder, so create, so edit with Elementor. So this is our section page builder icon. So just close this here, stop this. Now I'm putting here make modern look listed website. So just click here, and this is hero section, so modern or luxury premium, then click this. So come here, so you can put this here, Elementor, insert the Elementor or regenerate pattern. So I am inserting this, the section is inserted. Just put your image here, just click here and put, this is the image icon, so put the image icon, so it will be changed. So another icon, another section we built, just put this same, click the feature, make it luxury or corporate look, so click here. In the corporate look, you can check the corporate several icon, the several image also here, you can put this several image icon. So another section we made, same data we put, just click the team called fuck section, bold and vibrant. I'm showing a wall section, the simple build. So yeah, I designed the simple section build. So when it made, you just enter this button. So another section you build, just click here, start number, dark mode, so already built. Now another section we built, call to action. So another section in the last we built, that is the testimonial corporate looked. So another final we made the about us section, put here about us, bold and vibrant. So all now done, so just put this here. So we are putting the pages and click the view. Sorry, this is the our latest page is the real estate, so click the real estate, so make it full white button, so click here. So I have made now new again, so insert the Elementor, so this is the looking fine. So another section I built, put, so this is the command is the main factor, so I am putting this, so this putting also this is without image to make it. So about a section, just click here, so it will make. So I was facing the theme difficulty, so finally I have installed the Hello Elementor. So this theme also looking fine now. So when you put this Elementor to, so it's looking fine. So another same, you can change the you can change the prompt is section, so I am using same section. I am try to show you 10 section and showing you in the website, so how much it will show. So you can use this the free plugin, so you can use the free Elementor plugin and free this plugin also. This is also free, just you have to pay the Grok or Gemini or OpenAI, so it will responsible for you. Just so check here, so insert this Elementor. Another section I built, the about feature section. So if you put the section is without image, make this section without image, this prompt will happen that there is no image, like there is no image. You can change the data automatically change for this section, so like the contact form. This is the contact form. This is insert button, and finally we are call to action button, call to action. So finally we put this, now publish this page. Also we can visit this from the pages section, so go to the pages. In the latest page we built, so this is the latest page we built, so visit this page. So this is our page. So your prompt, if you develop your prompt, so automatically what you wanted, this section you can develop the, so where just click this, remove the box and put this all white. Same for here, you can box remove and make it this type, so it will the full path will show. So this is the page title, here it's showing, this is our website name, this is our page section, page title, and this is the, so when you updated here, so what are you showing, so this is the page title, and this is, you can hide from the, so this is our home page. So where we home page is changed from the reading, select the new home page is real estate US, click the save changes, and you can visit this here. So prompt is the main factor. You will update the prompt every section, it will be perfect for you. So each section you try to use the different prompt for each section, so it will different data you will put, so it will be better result you will get, I hope. So thank you.